Ka School Hikai Kam Industrial Training Institute ITI Tura kala Pynlong ye ka Convocation na kabenta ki samla ke bla pendap ikjing puli na kani ka Shillong Hikai Kam. Kani ka Convocation kalong banshimenta ye ka Convocation Skill India kabla longkong san da Menteri Rang Badu kari India Narendra Modi ha ka khat nyau tarik ha kari barok kawe. Kisamla puli ha kani ka school kle shimenta da ka jingkemen ling ba ki jingruai ba jingshat. Hakani kesngi la samru iki khusnam ki certificate shiki samla ki bla pendap ik jing puli na kani ke school. Ki officer na DC office MEECL medium small and minor enterprise ki principal bala shong thai pat kiwe ki office jong sarkar jilla ki lawan bani shimenta kani kesngi bakemen jong ka ITI Tura. Kakong piona pringche CH Mara kalalong kanong kren bakong san hakani kesngi kraw. Kat ba uba di karshing principal ula ai ka jing kren kublei penwai.
Function, principal of ITI, the function managers, former principal of ITI, Sri N. all the dignitaries present here, all the officers, staff and trainees of ITI Tura. I'm actually happy and privileged and honored to be a part of this convocation program here today. I'm happy to know this is the first ever convocation being held for all of you all. And I would say that you all are privileged to have been a part of this batch to have witnessed this convocation.
Principal STI, my DCIC colleagues, and dear ITI students. I am from Ministry of MSME Government of India. After hearing your ITI, now you should become an entrepreneur, a micro, small, medium enterprise entrepreneur. Because Government of India, Ministry of MSME has many schemes for the support of entrepreneurs, and your sector comes mostly under service enterprise sector. For service sector, we have many schemes. And first, you should organize, because in ITI placement normally is very good compared to other streams like engineering, MBAs, graduates.
Facebook, Instagram, and through messages, you inform to local Tura people that we are ready to serve you for your electrical problem, for your carpentry problem, for your plumbing problem, for your designing needs. And you can take support from Government of India under Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Under this scheme, you are entitled to take loan of rupees 20 lakhs. Out of these 20 lakhs, around 25% subsidy for urban area and 35% subsidy for village or rural area.
So yang namen kursi misal ambil aksara, kamera, atau ambil skip, lain mereka, studentnya, ini semua kalau rumah horas, macam kampung kena, dia perempuan ambil mana waktu mereka ambil aksara, kalau langsung sabenya. Mana kita semua Sini institute yang nanggung seorang itu anak mungkin paksa.
Students, I thank you for this true privilege. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Pynlong and I am from Stenography Chef. I would like to congratulate all my fellow trainees who have successfully completed their course. A big congratulations to this batch. Before I commence my speech, I would like to share one of my favorite quotes, that is, chance favors only a prepared mind. Today marks the achievements of the milestone in our journey. But remember, milestones never shows the distance that we have already traveled.